Hi everyone, I am Fawad and today I am going to tell you about greatest common factor. Guys, first of all, before starting greatest common factor, we must know what is a factor. So always remember, factor is actually a number which can divide your given number. So let's start with the question number 1. This is the first thing we are going to start with. So I have two numbers 12 and 18 and I have to find out the greatest common factor of these two numbers. So we have actually two methods. So first of all, I'll tell you the first method, then I will tell you the second, and it's up to you then which will suit you. You can choose that. So let's begin with that. The first method to find the greatest common factor. So guys, first of all, we will find out all the factors of 12. I mean that those numbers which can divide 12. So as you know that 1 can divide 12 because 1 times 12 is 12. 2 can divide 12 because 2 times 6 is 12. Like this, whenever you will choose this method, you have to start finding your factors from number 1. 2 can divide, of course 3 can also divide, 4 can also divide because your timetables must be good. So 4 times 3 is 12, 5, the table of 5, the 12 is not coming. 6, yes, it is divisible by 6. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10, it will not go. 11, no. And the last factor of 12 is 12. Now guys, the same method we'll do with the number 18. Number 18, first factor number 1, it is divisible by 2, divisible by 3, not 4, not 5, yes, 6. 7, no. 8, no. 9, yes, of course. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All these numbers cannot divide 18 except 18 itself. So guys, as you know that I made the list of factors of 12, I made the list of factors of 18. And what is our target? What is our objective? Our objective is to find the greatest common factor. So first of all, you have to find a number which is common. 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common. And what else is common? 6 is common. But guys, we have to find the greatest one. So the greatest number, the common, is this 6 and this 6. So guys, in this way, our GCF, in short, you can write it as GCF, greatest common factor. So our greatest common factor with the 6, so this is the answer, with the method number 1. I hope you understand. So now guys, I'm going to start the same question with the method number 2, and I'll write here method number 2. So to find the greatest common factor with the second method is you have to find out not these factors but the prime factorization of each number. So guys, I'm going to write here, I just put a line so that we can separate it. So guys, here I'm going to write the factors of 12 but not the factors but the prime factors. So normally what I do, I used to find the primary prime factors by this method, by putting the cross lines, and then I will start dividing it by the prime numbers. So guys, before finding the prime factors of this 12, I want to tell you what is prime. Prime is that number which is only divisible by itself and by 1. So I'm going to start it divide by 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. 2 times 3 and 3 times 1. I hope you understand what I'm doing. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. Right guys? So in this way, these are the list of prime factors for number 12. So I'm going to write here, and also you can mention this 1 always. So 1, I'm writing them in the ascending order. 1, 2. And again I have 2, and then I have 3. So you can also put the multiplication sign if you want, because, and here I can put the 2 equals, because 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 12, times 1 is 12, which is equals to 12. So now guys, I'm going to find out the same prime factors of number 18. I'll use the same method. I put the 2 cross lines and I will write number 18 here. Now guys, start dividing with the smallest possible prime number, that is 12. So 2 times 9, then 3 times 3, and then 3 times 1. So I have 2, 3, 3, 1, the list of factors. So I will write 1 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now guys, the method number 2, we have to write the prime factors of both numbers. So to find the greatest common factor with the second method, you have to choose the common numbers or common factors out of these list of factors. So 2 is common, and guys, you can see here 3 is common. Either you can encircle these two 3's also, it's not a problem. So guys, the most common numbers are 2 and 3. You can write them down here with the multiplication sign. This dot is I'm using for multiplication. So 2 times 3 is 6. So guys, this is the method number 2. You can see the same answers you are getting, GCF 6 and GCF 6 with the two different methods. I hope you understand. If you have any question, any comments, you can mention in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you again with the next video with a new topic. Bye bye.